So, all you don't raise all your foot, put all your foot down. All you have to put all your foot down.
Right, so folks, this is another one of the areas here. Look at the police notices.
Watch. She peeping through the window.
Hey girl, why don't you peeping through your window there? Eh? Right. Bamboo. Right, so this is just an update here with my brother Boots, Ryan. I'm here with the foundation woman, right? Tanti Lala. I'm here with my niece Smurfette, right? Who don't want to show she face because rightly so, hundreds of people viewing and it will be drastically reduced. Right, so Ryan, what it is they can do update us on that? Eh?
Right now.
Alright, what we're doing is that we're going to the area that I had mentioned earlier on my previous video where literally the bank was damaged by a contractor. So what happened is that we're going to that area now because this never before historic breaking records here. Mohan Street is here we going?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Wait, going down or going up? No, but I'm watching the marks on the wall. Yeah, that water still going up. Because that man had a whole door and what he have a half, I don't know.
Half price. Hey. Look around the half price.
I seen a sign by Hasib thing there like he's selling the place for sale.
Yeah, man paid up one time.
Yeah, this is Imam of Bamboo. This is his house here. I'll now beginning to see the extent of this, folks. Watch this, man. Eh? And the water here is about 3 feet plus in some areas, and where they built up, like by that van there where they built up, is about 2 feet because they built up the area. So that could be a nice cook. That dog don't wash out and clean. Nice sewage water on it. Nazira, what's sewage? What's on the side? Nazira! Nazira!
For real, I want that coming over.
You see? You see? What's going on here? Yeah, wiper blade need changing. You see that? Mom put it on reverse thrust there, you know. Nah, take your time. Take your time. Go in in front. Take the depth. Hey, look how they going in front.
Come here because
you
your back face is on. Okay.
That's why she don't want to come there. Because hey,
But it's not that it breached and it's because of the height of the river. Yeah. So it was.
no. It have an area where they damage.
The guy did fire. Alright, good.
How deep it is here? That is about how much? About 4 or 5 feet?
Watch on the right.
So I am.
Move water coming there.
So, huh? Watch. All right.
I now see this.
Watch. You see what I tell you?
So you telling me in the ministry can you come and do nothing?
Watch this. That is one of the breaches here. Right? Now, Olia, I want a little watch stupidity here. What's the height of the river and what's the height of the bank? And all this water coming in, all this water now coming in bamboo number 2.
Over there,
All this water you're seeing here now, coming in bamboo number 2.
what? Let me put this stick. Let me put this stick and watch it there. Put this stick there. Put this stick and show me that there.
Right, that is just.
The bank. Hey, we go to Novado. Come on this side. Sit down, please. Want to read the morning papers? Yeah, want to follow there. People drunk there.
I can't swim. Okay.
Tanti can't swim, watch. Nazira, if you fall along here, you can see the water just turn blue.
So all the excavation and stuff from their belly land. Where they put in material.
No, Ryan, something like this, you could do emergency repairs, correct? There must be the engineers. So by your airboats, by just allowing this water to flow here, you are solving nothing. But what the hell is this, boy?
And then put up on all.
All you see what's going on here now? Now all you see why bamboo underwater.
Take this one here, boy.
Which one? Yeah, get that. Watch it. So you see where we are selling it? Pressure is joke. And where all that, Ryan, where all that water going and it have nowhere in bamboo for it to exit.
Only where the pump put in. No, it can't happen, but the pump will still be.
What's that?
Look like there's a lot of tag in the go.
No, actually, let me tell you something. Right now, as that water, that eroding the bank right at present, you know.
But the volume of water coming in there, the pump can't pull it. Yeah, that it can't overcome it. So as water coming and the pump sending out, everything balancing out.
The water will still rise.
This is madness. Why this when you boots? So now you see what we're talking about, bro. Yeah, boots living in bamboo so long and we never see this. And this is what I tell you. I mean, I don't have a problem. You know, people talking climate change and this and that. But all you can tell me, what climate change have to do with the bamboo number 2 waterfall? Hey, here what happen? Them luckier than we, you know. We in the hole, we down there, all here, we on the main road. Who say, you know who can get the worst? You see Hussein's circle at the end? When that pile up in the end there. Yeah, that will be real pressure. But this.
See by that? Temple ship lower than
Where? Across on that side too? I hear he fart, I ain't hear no.
Hey, Zoo. You suffer with gas?
That in the back by
Yeah, you hear it low. You hear it gushing in the back. So, basically, alright, we count. Watch me, we count how much so far here. 3, correct? Yeah. And 3 wide breaches. And if you look at the width of each one, that one is about 10 feet, 10 feet, and about.
You're hardly hearing this one, right?
Yeah.
And you're hearing that one.
That one you're actually hearing in the bush. But let me ask you a question. It have any way anybody could walk on that bank? No? No way. But I guess it's drone then. Nah, drone is the only thing you gotta use there.
If I get back, cycle.
Oh God, oh God. This is madness. Wait, boy, I don't know, man. You know, and you know why is the hardest, boy, Boots? I just go all over the country helping people, thousands of people. And if 20 people call me asking me if I need help, it's plenty. People in this country real selfish, you know, boy. And Azira, my niece, who don't normally go out because one is that she here has changed color, right? Smurfette decided to come out with me today. She don't normally go out because she afraid to get black, right?
We are the same color.
You understand?
Color.
Right. I'm a real tanty today. She just be out with me right through. That one thing she like NP I could count it with and I agree here on here, didn't Nazira? No, Nazira. Watch out.
Yes.
Hey, Nazira, nah. Hey, what the hell is that? Somebody calling on Facebook. So that's how going on, folks.
Hi.
It didn't make sense I kill myself and run my battery out now and only show boots bottom. Because every time I swing. Hey, but you see this fella here? I want to pay special recognition to this young man here.
Move your hand from your chin, man. Right.
No, I want to pay special recognition to this young man.
Sukram.
Young Sukram. Since this morning and yesterday, this young man and Boots have been all over Bamboo number 2 with others, doing what others fail to do. And that is to put other people before themselves. And you know what you had us? I talking good about this man and this man ignoring me completely on our phone.
I'm studying home here right now. I ain't going there. I get a phone call from home.
How things going?
Not good.
Not good. Well, you're happening. Watch me. Let me see how we could go and help you now.
We can see now.
Eh? No? Yeah, we here for you. Whatever it is you need, brother man, we here for you. Look, iShops will give you stove, fridge, mattress. They had the best price on chemicals and fertilizer. Eh? No, Ryan boy. Ryan always with me, boy. Ryan is a...
Hey, driver, you're going on the edge.
Oh, that is 9 feet of water there, you know.
Right.
Sorry. Alright, folks, alright, here happening now.
Very cool, man.
And this fella there, dog, where you know again?
Me and who live in?
Roy!
Who you talking about?
I know Roy?
Guyanese?
Yeah.
Guyanese living here?
Hey, where Roy? You know there?
Hey, Guyanese! What the Guyanese doing? Guyanese!
Oh, it is starting?
What's that? Hey.
Alright, so...
Take one out, my one and put it on the button.
Alright, so...
No, what we can do this evening?
This is where I'm ending the live here,
We can do
and
this evening.
because really and truly, next street I have to go is Nabi Street, so I'll give you a little idea what Nabi Street looks like in a little bit. But almost every street in Bamboo now under floodwaters. Right now, people evacuating from their homes because they have nothing else they could do. Alright, so I'll take care and thank you so much to all those of you who outside there. And like I say, I mean, boy, here what happening here. What killing me about this whole thing is that this should not have happened. All you saw personally what going on with that riverbank, and all you see with all your own eyes what is happening, and nothing is being done. One would think in another country there would be equipment, excavators, you name it, across there trying to stop the bleeding. But you know what? We have 2 jackass. Saturday night, them partying and they fetting. You know they had ball, Ryan? They had a ball in San Fernando. And 2 of them, if I see Fitzgerald looking like spaghetti with a suit, dancing, looking like if he got a stroke. I don't know what to say about them, man. But don't worry. Great is the PNM. Great. Great. No, in last 2 years I didn't vote. You're throwing thing in my yard now. I will take a picture and post it up here now. Wait. Watch me. You, the woman with the foundation. No, we are talking about any wear foundation. That is what you're talking about? No. You don't wear foundation? You don't wear makeup? So why this one is put on the whole arm? Hey. Yeah. Last time she wear my kaleidoscope on my makeup, you know. Nazira, say something, girl. Oh God. Alright, okay. Anyway, I just feel like harassing my niece. I go on. We will give a little live a little later on.